Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening YouTube in Safari or the app and starting the video you want to watch. Make sure background app refresh is on so audio keeps playing. Once the video plays, swipe up or press the home gesture to access the app switcher, then open WhatsApp. You want both apps active, YouTube in picture-in-picture or Safari tab, and WhatsApp for messaging. Doing this sets the stage, so you can view video and chat without constant app switching. Once done, enable picture-in-picture by tapping the Pi icon or using Safari's video controls. Alternatively, use iPhone multitasking gestures to create a side-by-side flow. Make sure to drag and resize the Pi window so it does not block WhatsApp messages or media controls. If audio mixes or cuts out, open Control Center to adjust volume or pause background sounds. This arrangement keeps video visible while you type, reply, and forward media in WhatsApp without losing playback. To finish, confirm video continues playing while you send messages or voice notes. If playback stutters, close unused apps and retry. If picture-in-picture stops working, force quit YouTube and Safari, reopen the video, and re-enable Pi. This usually resolves glitches. Also check focus modes and notification settings so WhatsApp alerts reach you. If audio routing remains problematic, a quick iPhone restart clears temporary conflicts. After that, you should have smooth simultaneous YouTube viewing and WhatsApp use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.